The season for smoothies, margaritas, and other refreshing beverages is just around the corner, so if you don't have a blender in your kitchen yet, you'll want to act soon. But believe it or not, the best blenders can be used to whip up much more than just frozen drinks. From purees and soups to dips and dressings, these versatile kitchen tools have plenty of creative uses. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 blenders on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. Personal blenders are popular because of their convenience and portability, and this Hamilton Beach option checks off those boxes. Featuring a no-frills design with a single button, this small blender couldn't be easier to operate. Simply blend a single serving and take it to go in the BPA-free plastic container that doubles as a travel cup. Not to mention, at just $20, it's the most affordable blender we've found. And the low price point doesn't mean it skimps on quality. It has a whopping 11,000 5-star ratings from Amazon shoppers who call it a great little travel blender and say it's powerful, compact, and easy to clean. Quiet is probably the last word you'd use to describe a blender that crushes ice, but that's exactly what this Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is designed to be. This Hamilton Beach option is the best portable blender if you're looking for something lightweight and less expensive than other options. Number 2. Ninja BL610 Professional Countertop Blender. Blenders are versatile kitchen appliances, but traditional blenders are large and not meant to be portable. If you're someone who frequently makes smoothies or other blended drinks while away from home, you'll appreciate the convenience of a portable blender. With nearly 20,000 5-star ratings from customers, this Ninja model is easily one of the best blenders. Whether you want to make a batch of nutritious smoothies or frozen treats, the 72-ounce countertop blender can do it all, and at record speed. The 6-blade construction and 1,000-watt base makes it a powerful way to crush ice or frozen fruits in just seconds, which many customers attest to, praising its power and equally impressive durability. One wrote, "I've had my Ninja for nearly 4 years and it's still going strong." To find the best portable blenders, we researched a variety of picks, keeping in mind weight, size, capacity, and care. Number 3. Muller Austria Multi-Purpose Hand Blender. An immersion blender, or hand blender, is a must-have tool in any kitchen, especially if you like to whip up a lot of liquidy dishes like soups, sauces, or dips. According to more than 29,000 shoppers, this Muller Austria stick blender is worth 5 stars. In fact, it's the best-selling hand blender on Amazon. The small but mighty machine is powered by 500 watts, while its brushed stainless steel design is attractive enough to be displayed on the counter. Plus, it comes with a bonus blade and a whisk attachment. People rave over its well-made, top-quality construction and powerful operation. There are even hundreds of reviews that specifically call it the best hand blender. The stainless steel blades are designed to pulverize through stems, skins, and seeds to give you a smooth, even texture every time. It even comes with an 18 and 24-ounce cup, each equipped with spout lids for easy drinking and pouring. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. An immersion blender, or hand blender, is a must-have tool in any kitchen, especially if you like to whip up a lot of liquidy dishes like soups, sauces, or dips. According to more than 29,000 shoppers, this Muller Austria stick blender is worth 5 stars. In fact, it's the best-selling hand blender on Amazon. The small but mighty machine is powered by 500 watts, while its brushed stainless steel design is attractive enough to be displayed on the counter. Plus, it comes with a bonus blade and a whisk attachment. People rave over its well-made, top-quality construction and powerful operation. There are even hundreds of reviews that specifically call it the best hand blender. It's also got a dishwasher-safe cup, although you can also just add water and soap, then blend to clean it up in a snap. However, so you can always blend more quickly if you need to. Number 5. Ninja QB 3001 SS Compact Personal Blender. Ninja is arguably one of the most recognizable blender brands on the market, and if you're looking to give Ninja a try, this top-rated personal blender is a great option. Whether you're making a smoothie, juice, or a dressing, the 700-watt single-serve model has a powerful pulse function that easily, and quickly, blends ingredients when you push down on the container. And even though it's fairly compact, it's still great at blending ice, shoppers say. Plus, you'll get 2 16-ounce cups, and a to-go lid for each, with your purchase. One customer said it's the most thorough blender they've ever used for smoothies, while another said it's worth every penny. This blender will help you shake up your smoothie game while on the go, literally. It's not a dishwasher safe cup, however, that may not be a deal breaker if you're planning to pack this along on your outdoor excursions. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.